Chat folders in the Telegram. If you press on the chat folder, you will see all of the chats in here with this arrangement. If you go in here, press on the settings, scroll and find chat folders, click on it, you can create new folder. If you press on the create new folder, okay, you can choose a folder name. For example, you're the admin of 4 Telegram channels, you can set it as work and add chats. Okay, you can add the chats. For example, why I choose you. These are the groups and channels that I am the admin, or I am the creator of that. I press the arrow and I press on the save. Okay, in here if you press on the excluded chats, it is going on, for example, show the muted, read or archive chats on this folder too. For example, the read chats are going to be available on the work folder. Archive, muted are going to be enabled on the work folder if you select. If you don't select nothing, it will be appear. For myself, I didn't use excluded chats. And in here I press on the save. Right now I have 2 folders right here. It says all chats and it is work. If I go out, for example, I'm in here, you will see 2 folders, all chat and work. Okay, this is my work, this is my all chats. I'm going to show you the way that I use these chat folders. One of them is this, the work option that we talked about. If you press create new, on the included chats, choose contacts, okay, and press on the save. Again, go in here, add chat, groups, okay, add chats, channels, save, add chats, bots, and press on the save. In here on the contacts part, if you press on the add chat, you can add contacts and non-contacts. Okay, both of them it will be show in here on your contacts tab. If you don't like it and you want to choose another part for non-contacts, you can again do it for yourself. You can customize it. I mean, this is my point. You need to press and save. All of the folders are created for ourselves. Let me go back. Okay, this is my advice. Put myself in here. If you want, you can choose, for example, your work, your contacts, your group, your channels, and your bots. It will be separated for each other, and it is a cool option. I really like it, and I really use Telegram with this way. If you go to the settings again and go to the chat folders, you can change the arrangement of that. Okay, you will see 2 lines. You can select them and change the arrangement of them. For example, you can say that all chat at first, work at the seconds, for example, groups before bots. You can customize it. Okay, if you want, you can customize it.